attitude spin. I'll show you what it looks like. Good, so I'm glad you're here in week 3 learning attitude spin. So we're gonna take this spin. It's a lot like the jackknife, so if you haven't done that one, try that one first. So your inside arm is the same. You're lifted, externally rotated, lifted through the arm, pulling down with your muscles, pulling up with your belly and your abs, and you're on the rise up on the balls of your feet. And the outside leg and arm come around in a big circle, hooking the heel and the hands right at chest height. So then the back leg goes back behind me. Let me turn to the side. So if I lean to the side, then I can get my leg to lift. So if we practice this on the floor first, it'll help your body feel what it should be feeling like in the air for the back leg, yes? So step next to the pole, and that same bottom arm will go low, and then the other arm goes high. So that high arm is your back leg side. So you're leaning over to the side to lift the leg up here. Yeah, and kick towards your butt. That's what the back leg is doing. So you will have a lean in your body when you're in the spin. So I'll show you what it looks like again. So I inside step, outside hook, and I lean into the spin and lift the back leg. Yeah. So if this is a little bit difficult or your brain is like, oh, I don't get it, Angie. You can do it on the ground as well. It's a really good training tool to use the floor. So I'm hooking the heel of that outside leg and the inside leg is back. So here's the position that I want to be when I'm in the air. So it looks like this, and I'm pulling with my arms, lifting my heart through that space. My bicep is lifted towards the sky. So my elbows are pointed down. Lean over and then lift and lower the back leg. Good, nice exercise right here. The whole leg lifts at once. Lift and lower. Good, and then try the other side. Same thing, hook the heel. Outside leg is behind. Reaching up, bicep is lifted. Elbows are pointed down. Lean over, pull with the arms, and lift and lower the back leg. Lift and lower, perfect. Breathe the whole time. Remember to keep your heart and your sternum lifted. Good, now let's try it again from your feet. So the inside arm high, zip up your belly, right up the front. So everything's active. Around the big swing, kick back. I like to look over the shoulder a little bit. That helps. Land on your toes to pivot out. Good, try on both sides. So inside steps forward. Outside big swing, grab at chest height, hook the heel. Lift the back leg, land on the ball of your foot, and stand tall through your legs. If you're sliding really fast, it could be that you're too close to the pole. So one thing I see a lot in beginners when they do this one for the first time is wrapping around and then pulling the pole in really close. So their spin might look like this. Yeah? So that's you. Just know you're not alone. We can work this through. Think about your hips have to be out and away from the pole a pretty good distance in order to get that nice circular centrifugal force to help you spin around the pole instead of drop straight down, yes? So when I have my hips away, it's gonna be easier to hang on because I don't have to vice grip the pole, only just hang on and hold the shape of the pole and put a little bit of pressure through the hand. So it's not all about hand strength. When we do spins on the pole, a lot of it is about how we're shifting the weight and using gravity to help us. We're gonna do that by having most of our weight be out here, which is our hips, usually. Out here and away from the pole. So I'll show you what I mean. So this inside step, and as I swing out in this outward swinging motion of the leg, it's gonna make me, I can't get any farther away. I'm gonna get as far away as my arm can allow me to get away with my hips. And then I come back to the pole with just the leg, and I hold this position. Right here, I hold this. I don't want to pull in, I want to just hold it right in the middle, isometric hold. If you've ever seen a ballroom dancer or a pair of people that are ballroom dancing, yes, they hold their arms at a certain distance from each other so they can do a ton of stuff between the two of them and get a lot of really cool things done. So same thing, but only with your leg. So you're holding this position and you're holding it isometrically so that you can keep the distance away. So give that a shot. If you were having any issues sliding really fast, this could be why. So inside foot step, outside heel hooks, and kick back. See all that space between me and my hips and the pole. The more space you have, the better the spin will be. Good. I hope that was really helpful. Let me know if you need more tips. I have a ton of them, so let me know, and I will talk to you then. Bye.